I guess everybody knows what is philately. Philately is collection and study of stamps. These are some triangular stamps and random stamps from all over the world. This is how we can start a collection. Anything, any stamp from anywhere, we can put it in our collection. From an Indian postal point of view, we have definitive stamps versus commemorative stamps. A definitive stamp can be printed over and over again, but a commemorative stamp is printed only once to celebrate a particular event or a particular day. Probably for a birth anniversary of some renowned personality or something like that. Then we have very special stamps which are the fragrance stamps which were released by India Post. Like many stamps have been released over the years. This one is of coffee, jasmine. Then these are the Indian perfumes. If you smell these actually smell of the perfume. This one is jasmine. So if you want so this way we have fragrance stamps of coffee, jasmine, and then for Indian perfumes we have sandalwood and jasmine. Another very special stamp which is the embossed stamp. So this miniature sheet was released in 2012 and India Post released another set which was the embossed part. So these were very limited editions, not available in large quantities. Next we have what is a miniature sheet, then what is a sheetlet. So probably I don't think that we have such crowd here to delve into philately that ways. We can probably take it over next time. But then this is how a journey of a stamp goes. Whenever a stamp is released, we capture that date when the stamp was released through a first day cover. So first day cover originally in layman terms or before it developed, you can say, whenever a stamp is released, we go to the post office, purchase the stamp, put it on the envelope and then post it. So the cancellation of the date when it was released, that we have captured on the envelope. This is the first day cover. So having that date stamp on the envelope is of that importance. We have Abhimika sir with us now. Then moving on, what are sheetlets?